Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and right now we are at the KTM showroom at Kali Mandir Gorakhpur, and as you can see right now I am at this showroom going to review this beautiful bike.
When you see me, you better run. Play duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
So our bike is now ready with paddock stand and full battery is now connected. So thumbs up to the KTM service here. They have provided me this bike and I thank them to provide this bike. Start with the front of this bike. As you can see, this bike gets a new front look with the full LED looks. We get the LED light as we get from the 390. We get the LED indicators, the DRL, and we also get this new foldable mirrors. When we get to a little down, we can see this bike offers WP Apex suspension front forks with disc brake of 310 mm, and this is the new disc brake designed by KTM, which is much lighter than the previous version. And the tire which you can see is the MRF, and the sections of this tire is 110. The side profile of this bike looks pretty amazing. When we will see it from the real life, this bike looks very good. And this is the new change from KTM. You can see the radiator from here. You get the catalytic converter here and the pipe going exhaust pipe. Then we have the rear shock absorb WP Apex rear shocks. That's the chain, rust proof chain. As we move the back to the back of the bike, we can see the rear right is what do we say that it is now more sharp with the, and here we have sadi guard and tire hugger, and the back of this bike tire is of section 150, which comes with the disc brake 230 Nm of disc brake size. And now we will talk about the instrument of this bike, instrument cluster. Now let's on the bike. So now we are gonna on the bike. Now you will get the digital instrument cluster with all the information showing. First we will have to just click the button here and it's sounding. Here we have the tachometer, the speedometer, the gear position indicator, the ABS is now there. Here we have show time, here engine light button, neutral, and every informative that we have to know. And here is the odometer, and we can change the mode of this bike. We have previous one like supermoto and normal, and these are the buttons of this bike. Here we have the passing light, the high beam light, which is now fully LED, as you can see. Then we have the high beam, low beam, the side indicator. The side indicator is also LED, as I have told before. Here are the LED DRLs. This looks pretty darn amazing. Then we have horn. We can hear horn. Yeah, it's good enough. Then the bike starts from here. So what do we say? Let's start the bike and hear the noise. It is the underbelly exhaust, same as the previous one. Well, we talk about the power figures of this engine. It is the previous same old engine, no any other engine upgrade. And this bike gets a new air filter, that is 40% increase in the air filter size. Here you can see the radiator. The radiator of this bike is now curved, so the heat management will be good, just like the Adventure 390. And now the moment of truth. Now we are gonna start the bike. Let's start the bike. Wow, the sound is amazing, guys. Here are the low beam. We will set to the high beam. We'll talk some new features of KTM RC 390. We have the new mirrors. The new mirrors that folds full 180 degree. Full, as you can see, full 180 degree. And then we have new instrument cluster, the new clip-on handlebars, the new disc brake. The disc brake, this bike offers dual channel ABS. Then we have the new tank. The tank is now bigger, something 17.3 liters of mileage. 17.3 liter of fuel capacity. This one is the metal part and this one is the fiber part. We get the new seat. The back seat is now also much more comfortable, and now we have handlebar grabs. So overall KTM has done a very good job, and this new bike is looking very amazing. And so that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you like this video. Make sure that you subscribe my channel if you like this video and learn something new from this video. And if you want to buy KTM RC 200 and you are in Gorakhpur, then you can visit this showroom. This is near Kali Mandir, and here we have all types of bikes. So, and if you want anything question, you can comment down below. I also want to thank the manager of this KTM showroom who provided this bike for review. Thumbs up to him. Okay.